So number 3 is the distillation process. So in distillation, we have 3 types. Number 1 is the pot still, the continuous still, and the rectification still. So in basic distillation apparatus, it consists of 3 parts. So number 1 is the still or retort. So ito yung for heating the liquid. Then number 2 is the condenser for cooling the vapors. Then the receiver for collecting the distillate. So ayan, I will show you the 3 types of distillation process. So yung mga yung ginagamit na aparatos, yung mga ginagamit na aparatos sa pagkuha ng distillate. So yan, number 1 is the pot still. So pot still, the simple pot still is a large enclosed vessel heated either by direct firing on the bottom or by steam coils within the vessel, with a cylindrical bulb at its top leading to a partially cooled vapor line. The bulb and vapor line separate entrained liquid particles from the vapor on its way to the final condenser. So ayun, I will show you how it goes or kung papaano nakukuha yung distillate sa pot still. So ayan, in continuous still naman, the continuous still which came into use in the early 19th century consists of a tall column filled with perforated plates onto which water-rich vapors condense while alcohol-enriched vapors pass through. And these plates thus serve as a series of small pot stills, one on top of the other live steam, as the heat source is fed into the bottom of the still and the liquid to be distilled is fed near the top. Steam pressure holds the liquid on the plates, and with any flavor caught by the plate below, the liquid level on each plate is maintained. So, and this is how it goes. As you can see in the picture, ayan, yung number 1 is wash. So, ayan, yung mga component substances, ayan, ayan, mag-wash. Then, next is steam. Then, while steaming, inaabsorb siya ni number 3, yung liquid palabas, while the vapor naman is dun kay number 4, yung alcohol vapor. Papunta siya sa kabilang still. Then 5 is the less volatile, yung yung vapor nung liquid and solid components. Ayun, nire-recycled na niya. Then number 6, yung number 6 naman na tube, ang ina-absorb niya is yung most volatile components, yung parang yung ayun nga, yung 'di ba sa number 5, yung volatile niya tapos yung vapor pa, yung parang as in pinakapuro niya. Para makuha yung spirit. Number 7 na yung lalabas siya. Then ayun yung spirit na nakuha. Yun yung ginagawang natin, yung mga alak, ganun. So yan, number 3 is the rectification still, or the purification or refinement of a substance by repeated or continuous distillation. So ayun, parang na-distill na siya, then i-distill pa uli siya. So ganun yung rectification, para yung as in purified yung makukuha mong spirit or distill. So rectification is the process of purifying alcohol by repeatedly or fractionally distilling it to remove water and undesirable compounds. So yun, as what I have said. The fermentation mixture primarily contains water and ethyl alcohol, and distillation involves increasing the percentage of ethyl alcohol in the mixture. water vaporizes very easily. So if no proper care is taken, the distillate of a fermentation mixture will contain unacceptably large quantities of water. Ayun, magiging matubig siya kung hindi proper yung or wala tayong proper care sa pag-distill nung fermented material natin. Ayan, the fermentation mixture also contains small quantities of complex constituents that can contribute to the flavor of the product even if they are present only in ppm concentration. It is important to retain those components that make a positive contribution to the product and to remove those that are unwanted. The ones that remain to the product are called congeners, and the congener level is controlled by the particular rectification system and by the system's method of operation. So ano nga ba yung congeners? Congeners are biologically active chemicals which exert an effect on the body or brain. So ito yung nagbibigay sa atin ng hangover. So yun, dahil sa rectification, parang mas piniprevent niya yung yung pagtaas ng congeners sa alak. So fourth process is the aging. So in aging, the term age refers to the actual duration of storage, while maturity expresses the degree to which chemical changes occur during storage. One method of classifying distilled liquors is as aged or unaged. Aged products are predominantly whiskeys and most rums and brandies. White oak is one of the few woods that can hold liquids while allowing the process of breathing through the pores of the wood. The pore size of the wood is such that small molecules such as water move through the wood more easily than larger molecules such as alcohol. This breathing process is caused by temperature and humidity differences between the liquid in the barrel and the air in the warehouse. So ayun. Ayan, yung barrel na yan or yung oak wood na yan, ayan yung parang diyan pinatatanda yung mga distilled spirits. So ayan, I have a link na nilagay diyan. Tapos ayan, pagka kinlik yan, mapapanood nyo po yung video about how to age and distilled spirits. Yeah, distilled spirits nga. So yun, may napanood ako dyan na parang gumagamit na daw ng something na chemical para mapa-age. Ngayon po sa modern, kasi parang ayun na yung way. Kaya minsan pala may mga alak tayo na natitikman na parang paiba-iba na yung lasa ng mga alak na lalo na sa atin sa local, kasi wala naman tayong ganong mga makinarya para sa ganyan. So yun, yung nilalagay daw na chemical na yun, sa pagpapatanda ng ng mga distilled spirits, may effect din sa katawan natin. Ayun, mapapanood dyan sa video na yan, sunod-sunod yun pagka kinlik yan, may mga related about sa health natin.